It's time to liven up your dinner with this vibrant and super easy Mexican chicken tray bake. Packed with 42 grams of protein per serving, it's as nutritious as it is easy to make. Sounds good? This is how you make it. One of the best things about this recipe is it's absolutely loaded with veggies. So we're going to use some sweet potato, which is a great source of beta-carotene. Just peel it, chop it up reasonably small, and then add that to your baking tray. Do the same with 2 onions. I'm using red ones because I think it just gives it more colour, but you could use white if that's all you've got. Again, chop them, bung them onto the tray, and then 2 peppers. I'm using 1 red and 1 green. You could really add any other veggies that you think would roast well in the oven. So you could put some courgette, aubergine, or carrot. Totally up to you, but just load that baking tray up. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It's got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. To make the sauce, we're using a tablespoon of fajita seasoning along with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some lemon or lime juice, it's up to you, a tablespoon of tomato puree, and then some chopped up, pureed or minced garlic cloves. Mix all of that through, and then we're going to add about 2/3 of it to those veggies. We're going to save the remaining third and put it on the chicken. So 2/3 of it goes onto the veggies and then get that all mixed through. I'm using a glove just because when I'm filming, I don't want to get my camera all covered in sauce. Pop that in the oven, 180 degrees for 10 minutes, and then add that remaining 1/3 of the sauce to the chicken breast. You could use chicken thighs, again, totally up to you, and then mix all of that through. Once the veggies have been in the oven for 10 minutes, add the chicken to the top of the veggies. The reason why we don't cook all at the same time is you'd end up having undercooked veggies or overcooked chicken. So once the chicken's on, just give it a further 20 minutes in the oven and it should look something like this. Make sure the chicken is fully cooked through and then give it a squeeze with some lime and some fresh coriander, and then all you need to do is just get stuck in. So there we have it. That is my quick and easy Mexican style chicken tray bake. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and as always, if you want the full recipe, you can get it along with about 300 other ones on my high protein recipe app. You can click the link below in the description, you can download it right away. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more high protein recipes, and hopefully we'll see you again here soon. See ya! Right, let's give this a go. Find a big chicken, make some onion, red pepper,